In this lesson, I'm going to explain you how to insert a new value for an index which overrides a specific index in a list. Suppose, here I will give you the example. I have set this variable student underscore list, which is initialized by these three strings Roy, Ahmad, and Raj. If suppose you want to overwrite, suppose instead of Roy or instead of Ahmad or instead of Raj, you want to write down another name, you want to assign another name to this list, then you have to use this function. So here I have written print student underscore list before. I have written this line only to explain you, right? If you want, you can delete this line directly, you can print the last line. So see here, student underscore list, and this is 1, index 1. So which is 1? Do not say Roy, because always index starts from 0. So this is 0, this is 1. So instead of this Ahmad, it will overwrite the gender. I will run this code and you will see. So see student underscore list before it was Roy, Ahmad, and Raj. And after modifying it, it is student underscore list after Roy, Tajinder, and Raj. Right? So this function overwrite a specific index value. Suppose here make it 2. Right? So which is 2? 0, 1, 2. Now Raj is 2. So it will overwrite Raj. Right? I will run one more time and see. Before it was Roy, Ahmad, and Raj, and after Roy, Ahmad, and Tajinder. So this is the meaning of this topic. Insert a new value for an index. It overrides a specific index in the list. So if you want to override, the easiest ways which we have learned in the first course, just delete it and write. But you should know how to use the index function. Right? Same example with a little modification I have made it here. Suppose here the last name is Raj. If I want to add the last name as well, just like Raj Chawla or Ahmad, whatever is the last name, right? If you want to add the last name, so how you can modify it is student underscore list is equal to Roy, Ahmad, and Raj. This is before. It will print here only to show you the difference between before and after. So modify index value student underscore list. Which one you want to modify? I said 2. So do not say Ahmad is 2. 0, 1, 2. Raj is 2, which is equal to student underscore list 2 plus, then you have to use the plus sign, and in quotation you have to write down Chawla. What we are doing here, we are adding a last name with Raj. So see, after this quotation there is a space. Why there is a space, I will show you. If you will not put this space here, Raj and then this C Chawla will be joined to each other, but that's why you have to give this space here. If I will run this, so see, before Roy, Ahmad, and Raj, and after is Roy, Ahmad, and Raj Chawla. I will show you the difference. If I will remove this space here, so your output will be Raj and Chawla, right? So there should be a space. Now you can see Raj and Chawla, first name and last name, right? Okay. One more example. Here I have made another variable spell underscore digits, and this is the list item 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And I have written in the form of a string, right? These are enclosed in a square bracket, and this is the quotation separated by comma. So this is the definition of the list, but these are the strings. So print spell underscore digits, spell digits, and then spell underscore digit 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, right? You can write down any index value 5, 6, 1, 2, 0, whatever. But here we are going to check what is the type of this 4. So when you will see, okay, 4 is in the quotation, so the type is a string. When I will run, I will show you. So here I am going to show you that you can convert a string into integer or integer into a string. So this is the string into integer. So this C spell underscore digit is equal to 4, right? In integer there is no need to put the quotation marks, and then again it will show you the type. So I will run this code. See, spell underscore digit 0 1 2 3 4, and then is 4, this one. So the class is type is string. This is a string because it is enclosed in the quotation. Here in the second, when I did our modification, so this is the 4, and now this 4 is in the form of integer, so the class is integer. So here you have learned that you can convert a string into integer, or if you have integer here, you can convert it into a string. Now you have to practice it. But if still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.